Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil or LFD. Today I am going to be reviewing a multi-tool, and I'm extremely excited about this one, you guys, because I honestly have never seen anything like this before. I just received this yesterday and I sort of prioritized it against all my reviews because it is cool, it is interesting, and I think a lot of you guys out there are gonna love it. So let's get started. It comes in this amazing case, which it's shockproof, dustproof, waterproof, makes it really sweet for traveling, and it is pretty small, you guys. Now, let's talk about what's inside, which is the cool part. And for this part, I'm actually gonna do something different that I never done before, so bear with me, because I don't really like to edit my videos. I just kinda like you guys to see my full reaction in real life. So I'm just going to do this with the camera. So you're not gonna see my face for a little while, however, you're gonna see the tool very closely. So I hope this works for you guys. As you can see in the carrying case, there's slots for all the parts of this beautiful rifle style multi-tool. How sweet is this? So this is sort of like the assembly that you're going to do. So we're going to start with the parts so that you can see how you assemble it and what you can actually do with this tool. So I'm going to start taking these pieces so you can see. So on this part here, you guys, you have a bottle opener right there. I'm gonna try to open a bottle later on. I just want to show you what you can actually do. On this specific hole, you can actually do a keychain hole or potentially a necklace. I actually am going to replace my current necklace and see if I can make it work. So this is one part. Let's just leave it out here so we can build it together. Then you're going to have two mags, very small. So the two mags, you guys, are actually screwdrivers. You have a flathead and you have a Phillips head. So you can actually only carry one at a time unless you're bringing the carrying case with you, but it is kind of a neat tool to have. Okay, let's leave those there. Then we have this unscrew Hextool, and the idea here is that it allows you to change the blades on this specific part, which is really the blade, and this is the rail, and it has kind of like the idea here that you would remove the blade as you need to, you know, and you can replace it with this. So these are carbon steel blades, you guys, they're like surgical tools and you can find them anywhere. So this is kind of sweet because you could potentially travel with this tool without the blades. And then you can buy the tip and put it in wherever you go. So pretty interesting, really nice. So let's try to put it together and then I'm gonna test it out just to see how it works. So the idea here is that you would, let me see if I can show you guys in a good way. I think you can see it there. So there's like a little part here that goes in. It's actually pretty straightforward, you guys, nothing too crazy. And then you push down to put the blade in place. There it goes. Now you can actually use the hex tool over here to store it. And then you can actually screw your mags. Not screw, but I think you can actually push them in, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, there you go. So you can actually store the other mag over here. You can store your surgical tools here, and you can be done with that part. And there you have it, you guys. So let's try a couple of things that I wanted to try right here. So first of all, let's, I kind of want to leave the bottle opening portion for the end. So let's switch gears here. There we go, face again. So I'm gonna put this on my necklace because I think, if anything, it would be an awesome statement piece. Not to mention, you know, having the ability to have a multi-tool as a necklace, I think it's pretty cool. So let's just see how this one works. All right, I hope that I can put this back on in a pretty straightforward way without major issues. There you have it. That is actually super sweet. I mean, I wish I had like a little bit of a more cleavage to show it to you guys, but that looks nice. I mean, I love my other necklace, but this one's Really cool. It's honestly also a conversation starter in my opinion. And again, you need it, you just take it off. I mean, you can also carry it, you know, in your keychain or in your pocket. I mean, I'd rather have necklace stuff, but it's really neat. There's also a cool feature here. So this is the blade guard, and so you can't actually cut yourself, which is really nice, where the blade gets stored right there. And then this is the bottle opener, you guys, right here, right there. I'm actually very curious. So you guys, I don't drink much. So this beer has been here for over a year. It has dust in it. My mom's fiance got this for us for a Christmas a couple years ago. This is a chocolate bock. And I figured it's still in the closet and it has been for years, why not give it a shot? So I think I should stand up for this. I'm so clumsy that I'm kind of scared of this part. So, oh my word, okay. So let's see here. I can't even open a beer on a normal day, imagine with this. So we'll give it a good shot. Oh, wow. That was actually pretty good, you guys. I thought I was going to make a mess. Sorry I don't have any fail videos for you to watch. Hey, that's good. Cheers. I'm not drinking this, though. It smells so funny. Okay. All right. So there you have it. So this is from my friends at FUGUE. Again, if you guys want to check them out, they have an Instagram page. And they make amazing tools. They have sent me actually a folding scalpel as well. Super small, really great. I will actually add the measurements of all of these things in the description of the video. And let me close this so you can see it. Look how nice this looks. So small. Really cool stuff, you guys. It looks really well made, well thought out. I'm a fan. I hope you guys check them out. I know there's a lot of rifle gun lovers out there that are actually subscribed to my channel. So I hope this one is a fun one for you guys. As always, go ahead, follow me on Instagram. I also have a Patreon account and a Teespring store. I love doing these videos for you guys. I'm having a lot of fun. I appreciate the community so much. So thank you so much. If you like what I do, if you learned something new, please consider subscribing. Also like, comment, and turn on post notifications. That helps me out a lot. And I hope to see you again in another knife review or in a creative concealed carry idea. I hope you're having an amazing day.